Hello everyone, so in today's video I got my Boxycharm unboxing, which I'm super excited about. This month, just a little sneak peek, is amazing. So I'm really excited to dive on into this and try on all the products for you guys. So I decided that what I'm going to start doing is just do the try-ons in the actual unboxing videos. I just figured that would give you guys a better understanding of how the products work. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, or I think it's right here. Down below, right there. Also ring your guys' notification bell. This notifies you guys of all of my future videos. So if you want to get notified when I upload, then go ahead and click that bell. I'm also going to be doing a lot of pre-recording. I'm going out of town in a couple of days and I'll be gone for several days, and I want to make sure that I have some content up for you guys. So if I look the same in all of my videos, that is why. Also make sure that you guys are following my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook, and then I also have a blog. On these I post other stuff on my Facebook. I'm gonna start posting deals that are happening, coupons, just things like that to keep you guys in the loop of any sales and things like that. And without further ado, if you guys want to see what I got in my June Boxycharm, then just keep watching. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $21 a month subscription service. Typically sends a lot of makeup heavy products. So a lot of other subscriptions, you know, can have a lot of skincare, a lot of hair care. Typically this is focused mainly on makeup, but you do get a good variety of things: hair care, skincare, makeup, all that good stuff. And they will send you 5 full-size items every month. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this little pamphlet that I dropped. Just a little disclaimer as well. I'm gonna pronounce all of these products wrong because I'm not good at pronouncing stuff. So here is a little pamphlet this month. This is the Caribbean Queen theme, and it's just fun and summery and, you know, Caribbean-y. So I actually really like this theme. I just think it's a fun summery theme. It has all the products on the inside with the value amount on them and a little code on the back, or this old de Janeiro. You can go to their website and use code BOXY2000. Now I have an accent. Boxy 2018, valid 6/15 through 7/15. It gets you 20% off of your order. So I'm just gonna kind of grab some stuff that I'm not going to be using in this video. One of them is the Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is a little sample guide. So this month we did get 6 items. So we did get 5 full-size items, and then I guess this is just like a bonus. It does smell really, really good, but for some reason on my skin, after it like fades away a little while, it reminds me of someone I used to date and before I got married, and it's just weird. I do have a bigger version of it as well, so you can kind of see the difference here. I'm pretty sure that this is a smaller size too. So yeah, if you go onto Sephora's website, this is actually what they claim to be the mini size, which is $20, and then this is just a little size. So I mean, it is pretty good for traveling. The mini size comes with 2.5 fluid ounces, and this one comes with 0.84 fluid ounces. And then the one I got, I don't know if it just like, I don't know what happened. Shipping happened. Shipping is horrible. It came all like leaked out. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but yeah, there's like stuff all over it, and the cap wasn't like fully sealed. It was a little bit of a mess. Thankfully it didn't get all over the stuff in my box. If it would have, I probably would have been sad, but it didn't, so that's good. So if you guys haven't tried it out, I definitely would. It does smell good. It wears on me weird. It just like, the smell is weird, and I feel like also that there are like little glitters in here. Yeah, there's definitely like an iridescence too, so just keep that in mind. You put this on, you'll probably have the glittery iridescence on your skin, which I don't always mind. I think I put it on one day and I looked at my hand and I was like, what the heck is that? And there was glitter all over my hand and I had to figure out where it came from. So the Bum Bum Cream does retail for $10. So the next thing that I have that I'm not going to use, because I do actually already have 2 of these brushes. These are the Luxie brushes. It comes with a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. That's the one I don't have. But then there's the Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighter, and then also the Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush. So like I said, I do already have 2 of these, and because I do have these 2, I'm actually going to go throw this in my little giveaway pile that I have going for you guys. I don't know when I'm going to do the giveaway. I just have a stash of things that I throw in there every so often, whether that's things that are sent to me in subscription boxes that I already have or things that I bought. I'm going to set that off to the side for you guys. So these are 2 of the ones that came in this month's box. Like I said, this is the highlighting brush, and then this is the duo fiber powder brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and use these really quick. I have only done my base, basically, so I have my foundation, my concealer, and my eyebrows done. I did set underneath my eyes. So I'm going to take the Luxie 516. I'm going to take some bronzer. This is the Balm Take Home the bronzer. This is in the shade Oliver. I actually really enjoy this. So I'm just going to bronze with this guy. And then to highlight, I'm going to take the Smashbox Spotlight palette. This is in the shade Pearl. Mine's a mess. And I'm just going to dip into these first 2 shades right here and highlight with that. Alright, so I do like these brushes. Like I said, I've had them for a little while. I think I've gotten them all in boxes. Maybe Boxycharm, Ipsy, those kinds of things. I've never bought, personally, a Luxie brush, but I do like when they're sent to me, so woo! So the Luxie set does retail for $42. And here is the next thing I am super excited about. Kathleen Lights has done several videos on this palette, and it's her friend who made it. She came out with her own cosmetic line, and I'm really excited about it. I was actually thinking about purchasing it when it launched, and I didn't, and now I'm glad I didn't, because it came in the box. So I just think this palette is absolutely gorgeous. It's just so summery and fun, and I'm really excited for it. And the nice thing is if you don't own this palette, it's not very expensive either. It's only $28, which I think is a fantastic deal. All the videos that I've seen of Kathleen using this palette, I think that it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really excited to dive on in here. I'm basically just going to kind of do a speed through tutorial-ish kind of thing. Just kind of showing you guys what colors I'm using and seeing me apply it. That way this video isn't a gajillion years. This is the Alamar Reina del Caribe. I can't say it. So it's not the best job I've ever done, but I really like it. I thought that the colors blended out nicely. The Celia color I am loving. It's super pretty, and the Lacoste color on the inner corner and for my brow highlight, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So overall, I am super excited about this palette. I cannot wait to keep playing with it. If you guys would like to see some more tutorials using this, let me know in the comments below. I think that it would be fun to do a couple more videos on this palette alone, see what other things that I can come up with, so just let me know. So I'm going to finish off my eyeliner. I'm going to use the Jonteblu. This is the eyeliner pencil in the shade 912 Charcoal, and this little guy retails for $5. I don't use a whole lot of like pencil liners, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to tightline with this and see how that goes. Okay, I thought that went on alright. Not my favorite in the world, a little stabby, but it's a pencil liner, so that's what you get, I guess. I did put it in my waterline, just since it does claim to be waterproof. We'll see how long that lasts. The next thing we got in the box is this Baddington Lashes. They look like this, and I thought the packaging was really cute as well. And these lashes retail for $28. They're a Monroe silk lashes, and it says that if you use these, you know, proper care, that you can get 25 uses out of them. That's a lot. So I am going to try and attempt to pop these on. and we'll see how that goes. It just took me like 10 years to get these on. I didn't do a very good job. Lashes are not my forte. I'm not too good at them. I can do some lashes. They just take a lot of practice. But I do think that they're really pretty. They're just very like flirty and fluffy, I feel like. They're not crazy super dramatic in my opinion. But I like them. I don't know. I think they're cute. Maybe if I could have put them on a little bit better. They probably would have looked better. And the last thing in my box is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Verona, and it does retail for $21. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. I don't think I've ever tried an Ofra liquid lipstick. I think I may have like a little sample of one, maybe. But I don't wear it. I don't know why. I'm gonna go for it. Ooh. So it's kind of like a brownie color, and this smells delicious. Not too bad. I actually don't really mind that. I don't know if I have anything like this, just a pretty chocolatey brown, but it does go with my eyes pretty well, I think. Alright guys, that is it for this month's Boxycharm. What did you guys think? I personally am pretty much digging all the items. The one thing maybe I'm not like super excited for is this eyeliner. It's just not my fave. And the fact that I already had those brushes, so that was a little bit of a bummer, but it's really not that big of a deal in my opinion. So I am really excited about the palette. I'm excited for the liquid lip, and I really like these lashes. So it's a good month for me. So this month's box did retail for $134, which is amazing. For only spending $21 on this box, the palette alone took care of the price and then some. For me, honestly, this alone was worth the box in my opinion. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. What did you guys think of this month's Boxycharm? Let me know in the comments below. Are you going to sign up if you aren't signed up already? I'll have the links down in the description box below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye!